Hello everyone and welcome back to my skincare series. So today we're talking about what to include in your diet to help improve the health and appearance of your skin. Eating a balanced diet that's rich in nutrients can help your skin look and feel better. And I know that you've heard that a lot, but actually nourishing from the inside will show you results. So let's get started. Drinking a lot of water will keep your skin hydrated and help to flush out the toxins that will actually keep your skin clear. My mom actually thinks that water is a solution to all the problems in the world. So she's going to be very happy that I'm telling you all to drink a lot of water. So continue to drink a lot of water to keep your skin healthy. So another thing you must include in your diet is omega-3s, which has essential fatty acids that help to maintain your skin's natural barrier. This means it helps to prevent all the nasties from coming into your skin, but also allows to prevent moisture loss. It prevents that losing of good nutrients that you want to retain in your skin. It can also prevent from damage that comes from external factors. You can find omega-3 in fatty fish like salmon, but if you're looking for vegetarian alternatives, then flax seeds or chia seeds or even walnuts are a great source of omega-3. So now we're talking about vitamin C. And the big question is, what is it actually good for and what are the sources of vitamin C that you can consume? So actually vitamin C is great for promoting collagen production, which means it helps to keep your skin firm and smooth, which means it's a great anti-aging nutrient to include in your diet. It also helps to protect from the damage caused by UV rays. So where you can get them from is our sources like strawberries, kiwis, capsicum and oranges. And now talking about these, I feel like I need a strawberry, so I'm going to dive in. So fun fact is that this also actually helps with controlling oil production. So all of those with oily skin should definitely try this in their diet. Another thing to include in your diet is antioxidants, which are a great source to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. And free radicals can damage your skin cells and lead to faster aging, which we do not want. So remember to include in your diet fruits and vegetables, particularly citrus fruits, some berries, bell peppers, and green leafy vegetables. They're all great sources of antioxidants. And last but not least, we're talking about zinc, which is a great source to include in your diet for controlling oil production and also promoting skin healing. So you can find zinc in sources like oysters, lentils, beef, and vegetarian alternatives are pumpkin seeds. And my most favorite is dark chocolate, which I'm going to dig into. So don't forget, one second, to include dark chocolate in your diet. Remember to include these sources in your diet and try and eat some of your favorite foods as well. Stay happy and healthy and keep watching for more videos.